Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about the definition of a polynomial, degree of polynomial and the types of polynomials. A polynomial is an algebraic expression of type a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x n minus 2 plus so on up to an, where n is a positive integer. Here a0, a1, a2, an are known as the coefficients of different powers of x. We denote the polynomial by px, gx, qx, fx, etc. This x is the variable in terms of which the polynomial has been described. So if we write px is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. This is a polynomial and the variable is x. If we write gy equal to y cube minus 3y square plus 2y minus 5, it is a polynomial and the variable here is y. Now to know whether a given expression is a polynomial or not, let's take some examples. Like we are given here 2x plus 3. It is a polynomial because the power of x is 1, which is a positive integer, so we say is a polynomial. If we have another one like x square minus 2 root x plus 5, here we find this is root x, means the power of x is half, which is not a positive integer, so we say it is not a polynomial. If we have another one like x square plus 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2, here we find this is 1 upon x, which says that this is x power minus 1, negative integer, so it is also not a polynomial. Like this, to see the different terms of a given expression, we can find whether it is a polynomial or not. Now, what is the standard form of a polynomial? That is, if we write a polynomial px as 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 6. It is the standard form of a polynomial. We can also write the same px as 6 minus 5x plus 3x square minus 5x cube plus 3x power 4. This is also the standard form of the polynomial. It means what? Either we write the powers of x in the reducing order or we write in the increasing order, then it is the standard form of a polynomial. What about the degree? The highest power of x contained in a polynomial is known as the degree. So we say highest power of the variable. That is, like suppose we have gx is equal to 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus 2x minus 4. Here we are finding that 4 is the highest power of x, and hence we can say the degree of this gx is 4. If we have another one, suppose we have rx equal to 4x power 9 minus 3x square plus 4. What we find here, the highest power of x is 9. So we say the degree of rx is equal to 9. Like this we can find out the degree of any of the polynomial. We have different types of polynomials. Let's discuss about them now. The first one here we have is a constant polynomial. If a polynomial has only one term and that is a constant, then we call it a constant polynomial, like px is equal to 5. This is a constant polynomial. We say rx is equal to k. This is a constant polynomial where k is a constant. The second we have is zero polynomial. If the polynomial is only having one term, that is 0, then we call it a zero polynomial, like px is equal to 0. It is a zero polynomial. The other one we have, the polynomials we divide in two categories. Number one we have according to the degree of polynomial, and the second one we have according to the number of terms. So we will learn now about these types. According to degree, we have the types of polynomials like linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, etc. What is a linear polynomial? Any of the polynomial of degree 1 is known as the linear polynomial. For example, we have px is equal to 2x plus 5. This is a linear polynomial because the highest power of x is 1. We have another gx is equal to 3x. This is also a linear polynomial. Generally, the standard form of any of the linear polynomial is taken as px is equal to ax plus b, where the coefficient of x is considered to be a and the constant term as b. Here you can see in the first one px is equal to 2x plus 5, a is 2 and b is 5. In the second one gx, we have 3x. The coefficient of x is 3, so a is 3, but there is no constant term, it means b will be considered as 0. The second type we have quadratic polynomial. Any of the polynomial of degree 2 is known as a quadratic polynomial. For example, we have 3x square minus 5x plus 4. Gx is equal to x square minus 2. This is also a quadratic polynomial. Generally, the standard form of a quadratic polynomial is taken as px equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here the coefficient of x square is taken as a, coefficient of x is b, and the constant term as c. See, in the first one, px equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 4. The coefficient of x square is 3, that is a is 3. Coefficient of x is minus 5 means b is minus 5. And the constant term is 4 means c is 4. Here in gx we are finding x square minus 2. The coefficient of x square is 1. It means a is 1. but there is no term with x. We can write this as x square plus 0 into x minus 2. It means here a is 1, b is 0 and c is minus 2. Cubic polynomial. The name itself tells cube. Cube means power 3. So here degree 3. Polynomials of degree 3 are known as cubic polynomials. For example, we have px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4. Generally, the cubic polynomial is written in the standard form as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. The coefficient of x cube is taken as a, that of x square is b, coefficient of x as c, and the constant term is taken as d. Here in this we find the coefficient of x cube is 1, so a is 1. Coefficient of x square is minus 3, so b is minus 3. Coefficient of x is 5, so c is 5. And the constant term is minus 4, so d is minus 4. Biquadratic polynomials, these are of degree 4. For example, we have px is equal to 2x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. Generally, the standard form of biquadratic polynomial is taken as ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. After the biquadratic, if it is of power 5, power 6, power 7 and so on, the higher power of x, generally we represent them by the degree itself. We write that of degree 5 or degree n. According to number of terms, we have different types of polynomials. They are number 1 monomial, number 2 binomial, number 3 trinomial and so on. A monomial actually is the polynomial which contains only one term. Contains only one term. For example, we have px is equal to 3x. Qx is equal to x square by 2. Gx is equal to x cube. It means it is not necessary that the monomial will be only a linear or quadratic only. It may be linear, it may be quadratic, it may be cubic also. But containing only one term is a monomial. Number 2 binomial. Bi means 2. Binomial means contains 2 terms. For example, we have px is equal to 2x minus 5. We have gx is equal to x square minus 5. We have qx is equal to 3x square minus 2. So these are the polynomials which contain only 2 terms, so they are binomial. Trinomial, tri means 3. So any of the polynomial which contains 3 terms is a trinomial. For example, we have px is equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. It may be gx is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4. Containing more than 3 terms, we generally call them polynomials only, and we learn them according to the number of terms. In the next video, we will learn about zeros of a polynomial. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.